What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. And today, guys, we are going to show you the Cosmostation wallet. So guys, I've been talking about Kava a couple, but I haven't really explained how to use the DeFi protocol much. But guys, the Kava DeFi protocol is a game changer. You're literally getting like 95% to 150% APY on your Kava. Sure, you can just stake your Kava and earn like 15% and lock it up for 21 days. Or you can go into Kava DeFi and just like get massive gains and it's not locked up. So anyways, guys, let me go ahead and show you guys how to use this now. This will be a super quick video. In this video, I'm just going to show you guys Cosmostation and the Kava DeFi game changer. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. And guys, once you do all three of those and say in the comments below you subscribe, you automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in BTC. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the Cosmostation app just so you guys can get a little familiar with it. But we got some Kava over here, and we've already deposited into Kava with a CDP. Right now, it's a bit stable. So let me go ahead and show you how to use this. So the Cosmostation app is not only limited to Kava. So you can also use BNB, BTCB, BUSD, BUSDB. You guys can see all the different tokens here. And it shows the collateralization rate, stability fee, and liquidation penalty. So basically what happens is if you're liquidated, you are going to have a penalty of 7.5%. So what that means is if you have $100 or 100 tokens, you're going to lose 7.5 of those tokens. And the minimum collateral means it's 150%. So technically, if you deposit, let's say 100 Kava, you can get a loan for up to, I think it's like 30 Kava. That would be about 150%. But basically, it's more, or it's less than what you deposit. So right now I have deposited into here some Kava. So you guys can see this is also 150%. You guys can see my USDX debt value is 801 and my Kava collateral value is 2,086. So I'm currently just, I basically just get like 2 or 3 Kava for free. But wait, there's more. So I use this, I go ahead and lend out these tokens. So there, yes, there is a stability fee of 4%, but guys, it's like nothing because I'm earning more Kava than I'm getting paid. Or I'm sorry, not getting paid. I'm getting paid more Kava than the stability fee is. I'm earning like 95% Kava. So it's basically just a no-brainer. And as you guys can see, this is after like 2 weeks. The loan interest that I owe is like 59 cents. Guys, after 2 weeks, or no, I'm sorry, a week. It's ridiculous. It's crazy. But anyways, you can see all the CDP information and all the information here. It shows my available assets, my loan principal, my loan interest. So basically I got a loan for $800 and I owe 59 cents on it. I can also withdraw $520 more, but I'm not gonna do that because that'll make my health factor really bad. So right now I'm at 57. Once that health factor hits 100, I get liquidated. When you get liquidated, you lose your tokens. You do not lose the full amount because this is not levered up, but you will lose a portion of them. Like I said, it's 7.5%. And then if it goes all the way back to up to 100 again, you will be liquidated again. And it's another 7.5% fee. So it's ongoing back and forth until the prices sit stable. But now maybe you guys can understand why I'm so bullish on Kava. You basically earn interest on your interest, on your interest, and on your interest. But anyways, guys, it's not only limited to Kava tokens. You can use these other tokens. This is all within the Kava ecosystem. Yes, you can add more wallets onto the Cosmostation app, but yeah, guys, it's pretty fire. You guys have to play around with this, have some fun. You can actually buy Kava directly through this app. There's a button right here. I'm not gonna click it because I don't wanna buy it. You can buy it with a credit card and use it that easily. You can also send your Kava tokens straight off of here after you earn them, and you can send them anywhere you want. Do be aware though, the tokens that you do earn on here, they can only be delegated. So you can delegate them here and deposit them on the platform. And they are locked for a year if you get the higher reward. If you choose and opt in to get the lower reward, let me show you that now. It will give you a lower amount, and it's only locked for a month. I just choose to do the 12-month because I'm bullish on both Kava and Hard Protocol, and I'm fine waiting it out. Yeah, guys, that's Kava, Hard Protocol. That's all the shebang, all in a nutshell. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys did, make sure you smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. And if you do all 4 of those things and leave a comment below saying you subscribed, you'll automatically be thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. Guys, Wisdom One-Liner, Proverbs chapter 25, verses 11. A word fitly oh wait, we already did that. Like a gold ring or an ornament of gold is a wise reprover to a listening ear. I believe it, man. I believe it. By the way, dogs, if you guys want to check me on TikTok, you guys can check me out on TikTok. I do daily wisdom one-liners there as well. I'll put a TikTok handle in the link in the description below. I think that's what it's called. That video. All right, guys, if you guys want to get some free BTC, here is the quadruple threat. Guys, there's a link in the description below. You can sign up for Celsius. You get $40 in free BTC. I get $40 in free BTC. It is a win-win. And if you enter in any of these codes, this is for a limited time, you will get an additional bonus of BTC, guys. You cannot beat that. The next in the quadruple threat is Voyager. Guys, when you sign up for Voyager, deposit $100, you will get $25 in free BTC. Need I say more? Probably not. The next one is BlockFi. This is also in the link in the description below. Deposit $100 and you also get $25 in free BTC. In both for BlockFi and for Celsius, you will be earning interest on the money you deposit and interest on the money you receive in the bonus, as in the BTC. And the final one that's in the link in the description below of the quadruple threat is crypto.com. Guys, when you get or reserve the metalcrypto.com Visa card, which is the Ruby one and up, you will get $25 USD paid in CRO. Guys, you got to check out these bonuses. Lots of fun. Thanks for tuning in.